Residents of Mamelodi and Tshwane are crying out for help. Heavy rainfall has damaged homes and property in the low-lying areas in what is a repeat of the 2019 and 2022 floods. Emergency services have battled to access some waterlogged parts of the township and have appealed to communities to be more vigilant. ENCA reporter Pulile Tweety-Jones has more.
The persistent heavy rainfall of the last week has left some parts of Gauteng flooded. Low-lying areas here in Mamelodi have been left severely flooded, with many homes damaged across Tshwane. But some residents are beginning to recover, coming up with alternative plans to ensure their property remains dry. The heavy rainfall has also prevented emergency services from accessing areas that have been hardest hit.
It's almost difficult for us because, as you can see right now, the cars are also having difficulties to go through to the other side of the location. So by so doing, we are appealing to the government to just make the roads for us to be safe.
Asinya diphato tsa rena, asinya difridge tsa rena, everything is at tsena metsi mepeto go tletse a gona tori o re khona o ira ka mo.
Community leaders here say most houses are flooded due to the lack of infrastructure, inadequate sewage systems and poor drainage.
Drainage and sewer system right, the proper bridges and road infrastructure. Hence, in the last administration as their task or what extension 15, which is Stoffel Park. This administration or at least the province intervene.
Residents of Mamelodi are yet to properly recover from the floods that devastated these communities in 2019 and 2022. Authorities have issued out warnings for people to remain vigilant and cautious in low-lying areas around Tshwane as more rainfall is predicted. Pulile Tweety-Jones, Mamelodi in Tshwane.